Hi everyone, this is Shauna from Embracing Keto, and today I'm going to bring you fathead dough. Fathead dough is the most incredible thing that I found, because I can make pizzas, I can make empanadas, I can make sausage rolls. Gosh, there's so many ideas in my head that I want to make. And so I'm going to show you how to make it, and then you can come up with suggestions and ideas too. So here we go to the next video. You start with 2½ cups mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of almond flour, 2 ounces of cream cheese, spices to taste, and 1 slightly beaten egg. The first thing that you want to do is you want to put your cream cheese in with your mozzarella cheese. Microwave it for about a minute. In this example, I did it for 30 seconds, and it still wasn't quite the consistency that I needed. So if yours is not the consistency that you need, add it for another 30 seconds. At this point, it was still a little bit too hard, and I should have microwaved it for another 30 seconds. This is the point where you start adding your almond flour and your spices. Sometimes I add spices, sometimes I don't. That's totally up to you. This is the point when I realized, I should microwave it. So it went back in the microwave for another 30 seconds, and look how much easier it's all blending together into that nice, wonderful fathead dough. Now in the beginning I had told you to slightly beaten the egg, but I'm not very good at following my own rules, and so I just broke it in there. And it seems to work a little bit better when it's already been beaten a little bit and before you mix all the almond flour in. So just mix in some of your flour, mix in the egg, make sure that the cheese is not too hot or it'll slightly cook the egg. So there you go. Look how beautiful this ball of dough is. And again, you can make so many things with it. So we're back, everyone. What did you think? Look at this dough. Now, you put it in between parchment paper, you roll it out as thin or as thick as you want. And again, like I told you, I make empanadas, I make sausage rolls, I make pizzas, and I'm thinking of a few other ideas, but I'm not going to mess up the surprises. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you make it. Let me know. Please hit the like, subscribe, and share button. I want everyone to know about this. And follow me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube, and we'll see you in the next video.